Do you want to learn how algebra is used in everyday life? Check this out. What do you see in this picture? If you guess correctly, it's a tree. And that tree is actually among other trees. And if I take a step even further back, I'll see that those trees make up a forest. Keep in mind, you can't see the beauty in something if you're zoomed in very, very close. So sometimes you gotta take a step back to appreciate what it is that you're looking at. Now let's look at the same idea in terms of algebra. Every day you're learning different things in algebra. Here are some examples of what you might see. Right, this is our idea of when we're zoomed in very closely, we see very specific things in isolation, and we don't see the purpose of why we're learning these things. But if you take a step further back, you're gonna see a bigger picture. In this case, we may see that those things are a part of topics called solving equations, solving inequalities, functions, graphing and writing equations, systems of equations, probability and statistics, just to name a few. If I take a step even further back, I'll see that those things are a part of something even greater. And this is the beauty in the things that you're learning that you might not see on a day-to-day basis. Things like critical thinking, time management, setting goals, communication, study skills, collaboration, creativity, problem solving, mindset, and reading strategies, just to name a few. These are the big things that what you're doing on a day-to-day basis that you might not think has any meaning, you're building towards these things that are applicable in whatever job you decide to do. These are the things you're working towards. So anytime you're getting caught up on those day-to-day basis, just remind yourself that this is a part of something even greater. These are the things that you're learning in algebra that are a part of everyday life.